Hello, could be the best of JC Best. Welcome to this video. Our topic to present today is estimates the product of 3 to 4 digit numbers by 2 to 3 digit numbers with reasonable results. Estimation is finding a number that is close enough to the right answer. Estimating is an important skill. Without estimation skills, you are not able to determine if your answer is within a reasonable range. The rules on rounding off numbers is very important in estimation. Now to present to you the topic, let's read the problem. Amy received assistance from the government and she decided to put up a siomai business. Each order of siomai costs 35 pesos. If there are 122 customers ordered siomai, about how much will Amy earn? Let us try to answer the following question. Question number 1. What did Amy do with the money she received from the government? The answer is, she used it for the siomai business. Number 2 question. How much does an order of siomai cost? It costs 35 pesos per order. Question number 3. How many ordered siomai? 122 customers ordered siomai. Question number 4. What is asked in the problem? The amount of money earned in her siomai business. Next question. What phrase in the problem indicates that an estimated product is being asked for? The answer is, the word about give us the estimated amount is needed. What are the given facts? The given facts are 35 pesos and 122 customers. Last question. What will you do to solve the problem? We can solve this by applying the estimating product. Now let us solve it by using the data given. In here, I am going to show you the actual product and the estimated product. Let us discuss first the actual product. So the given here is 122 and 35. 122 is our multiplicand and 35 is our multiplier. Now the first step is multiply 122 by 5. We will regroup the answer when the product is 10 or greater. So let's begin. 5 times 2 is equals to 10. The product is 10, so we have to regroup the 1. Let's write first the 0, then regroup 1 to the 10th place. 5 times 2 is equals 10, plus 1 is 11. So let's write 1 and regroup again the 1 into hundreds place. 5 times 1 is equals 5 plus 1 equals 6. So in partial product, we have 610 as the result. Now, let's go to the next multiplier, which is 3. Let's multiply 3 to the ones. 3 times 2 is equals 6. 3 times 2 is equals 6 again. 3 times 1 equals 3. Now, we have another partial product, which is 366. Add both the two partial products. So, 0, there's no number under it. So, just bring down the 0. 1 plus 6 is 7. Write 7. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Write 2 and regroup 1. So let's add 1 plus 3 equals 4. We have an actual product of 4,270. So we are done with the first, we are done with the actual product. Now let's go now to the estimated product. First rule is round off first the multiplicand and the multiplier to the highest or greatest place value. Then multiply the rounded numbers. Okay. In 122, the highest place value is hundreds. Then assess the number on the right. If it is greater than 5, within 5 or below 5. Since 2 is below 5, the number 1 will remain and the rest of the number will replace by 0. So it becomes 100. Now, let's go to the multiplier. The highest place value here is tens. Now, look on the right number. Assess the number. It is within 5. So you have to add 1 to the 3 and replace the 5 by 0. So it becomes 40. So now, let's begin multiplying the number. 0 times 0 equals 0. 0 times 0 is equals to 0. 0 times 1 is equals to 0. We are done with the first multiplier. Let's go now to the second multiplier. Now, your answer should be put in the tens columns. Okay, 4 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 0 is equals to 0. 4 times 1 equals to 4. Now, let's add the partial product. So, bring down the 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. And bring down 4. So, we have a estimated product of 4,000. So, now, let us look on the result. In the actual product, we have 4,270. And estimated product is 4,000. As you can see, it is very close to each other. The estimated product is so close to the actual product. Now, let's have another example. 194 times 21. Now, in the actual product, if you are going to multiply these factors, the 194 and 21, it will give you a first partial product of 194 when you multiply 1 by 194. And you will get second partial product when you multiply 2 by 194. And you will get a total actual product of 4,074 by multiplying 194 and 21. Now, if we are going to look for the estimated product, you have to round off first the multiplicand. the highest, look at the highest place value here, which is in the hundreds. Assess the tens or the number on the right side of the number. If it is within 5, greater than 5, or below 5. Since 9 is greater than 5, you have to add 1 here. So, and replace all the numbers by 0, so it becomes 200. 21, here 21, the highest place value is 10. Look at on the right side number, which is 1. 1 is below 5, so it becomes 20. You don't have to add 1 because the number next to it is less than 5. Now, let's multiply here. There is a shortcut actually in multiplying 0. If the number in the multiplier is 0, all you have to do is count all just the number zeros in the multiplier and the multiplicand. Then multiply only the number which is not